you are absolutely a real truck. You got the special lights up top. You're
Wow, look guys, we find muddy toys. Wow, look, great. Wow, amazing. So muddy. Let's collect it. Wow, look guys, so muddy. Looks like a tiny one. So muddy now. Wow. Okay. Looks like a bus. Oh. Wow, again we are finding muddy toys. Let's collect it, guys. What kind of this animal? Wow, amazing. Wow, look guys. Great, amazing. Wow. Let's take this one. Okay. Now, wow. Wow, okay. Find another toy. See here. Wow. Let's collect it. Wow, amazing. Good. Wow. Let's collect it. Now we are collecting all the muddy toys. Let's clean it. Okay friends, here is clean water. So now it's clean these muddy toys. Wow, what kind of this toy is? Let's clean it. Wow, this one is a fire truck. So clean now guys. Let's collect another toys. Wow, this one is cheetah. Okay, let's find another one. What kind of this toy is? Wow, this one is a garbage toy car. Okay, it's so clean now. Let's bring another toy. Wow, this one is sheep. Okay guys, let's clean it. Another toy. Looks like a bus. So dirty. Clean it. Wow, this one is a bus. Good. Let's put it here. Okay, let's collect another toy and clean it. So dirty. Wow, this one is a monster car. Wow. Let's clean this one. Wow, this one is Anima elephant. Okay guys, amazing, good. Okay, now what kind of this car toy is so muddy? Let's clean it. Wow, this one is a water tanker truck. Good. So clean now. Okay, this one is animal. Let's clean it. Wow, this comes out horse. Okay guys, now it's clean now. Put it here. What kind of this animal? Wow, this one is zebra. Okay. What kind of this animal? Wow, this one is a deer. Good. Wow. What kind of this car toys is very tiny. Wow, this one is a red car.
You are absolutely a real truck. You got the special lights up top. You're
Wow, it's very small. Good, now clean. Let's bring another one. Wow, this one is a lion. Good. Amazing. The last one is a big truck like a car. Let's clean it, so muddy. Wow, this one is a red pickup truck. Wow, this one is so clean now, guys. Okay guys, we are cleaning all muddy toys. Subscribe this channel. Bye bye.